Go.
Somewhere.
Your teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment.
I think someone's next to me. I heard footsteps.
I'm down.
Careful then. Wait. How did you two die?
Well, Matty was saving me.
Yeah, windows just smashed near me.
Gas is closing in.
You didn't do anything.
Shit, up there. Up over there.
Setting waypoint.
Fine.
Downed him.
Nice. Fucking rushing, fuck it.
Why does Alex want to play with me now? Fuck it, everyone wants to join on with me.
I was gonna, who the fuck is he?
Be advised, your teammate got their ass kicked. They're RTB at this time. Your teammate is redeploying. Stand by.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, the back down there, the back down there.
What? Thing.
We're inside the zone. Keep your eyes open. Does
Yeah.
anyone want this?
Don't see. Yeah,
I've seen him.
there's a chop.
Down here.
Come off this way.
Oh, there's some shit up in that building.
Contact front. Cancel. Cancel.
Like
Well,
an
the people
LMG
need to
and
push
shit.
for me. Yeah, he's in here. I've just got eyes on him. He's just ran out the
He's
back.
just come out, he's gone to that one.
Waypoint marked. Move.
Now that one. Wait, is there two down here?
No, just one.
Dead.
Cleared, lad.
That's a
Have
team
you got any,
wipe as
can I
well.
have some armor plates of him?
Yeah, he's got some.
Play Jax.
I think you're delaying your streams like fucking 5 seconds or some shit.
Why is that? Would a capture card improve that though? That capture card I want?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should do.
Massively, what?
It should let you set what you want the delay to be.
Well, I want it to
theory.
be spot on all the time, if I'm honest with you.
Well, if you have it like almost instant, for, like a second delay or something. Someone was just shooting there.
Waypoint marked.
If you have it like instant, then your quality is going to be like piss poor. So really, you should go for like 5 to 10 seconds.
Oh, box. What have we done with C4 for? Have they nerfed it or what?
What?
The C4 throw, it used to be crap, didn't it? Have they put it back up or what? It should be.
I don't think so. I've not heard anything about it, at least. Someone was shooting over there.
Marking rally point.
They came up on the map.
Let's go and get this bounty.
Does anyone want this?
Go get it.
Push with me then, Peanut.
Anyone would like to get me an active point with very nice jacks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we need to. Yeah, you need to get Lawrence back in. 3-2.
One
Mark the buy
birthday.
station.
There's one on the left of you. Oh, there's one
That's in
there.
the middle of bumfuck nowhere. Oh,
me in.
enemy.
We know
Objective
Jax,
is to
we won't
eliminate
go
the
in.
bounty
Oh,
target.
where is he? He looks very close. Very close.
He is, he's on wall, I think. Along the outside wall, I'd imagine.
There,
Yeah.
going in.
There you go, Lawrence.
Took an armor. Pushing
There's
up,
one on the
pushing
left side
up.
of that
I
gap
know there's
as
one on
well.
the right side. I've caught him on the right side. They're making a run for it. They're not getting away from me. I'm telling you right now,
Still,
they're not.
I think they're still there in that like gap, because that one went prone, trying to shoot me. So I don't seem that good, to be quite frank.
Oh man.
Found him.
I've come lick me.
Oh, he wasn't happy.
Where
He
is
was. He's down.
Mate,
Armed mobile.
In
shooting
one,
at me, that's what they're doing.
only got a bit of his arm.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Anyone wants to run to me, be very appreciative.
He's gonna make a run for it.
I'll try and get you.
Yes, sir.
Gas is
I have
inbound.
no idea where
Marking
this
new
guy's
safe
gone.
zone.
Not a fucking clue where this guy's gone.
I do.
Where is he?
Right, Matty, if you buy an armor bundle